welcome back to my channel. It's me, Emily Obes, aka Philly Crew, and it is 2021. Just projectile vomit, like everything, okay? 2021, how disgusting. Not sure how I feel about it, considering the world state right now. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. They released like a bunch of merch for, I think, Black Friday, was it? And I also think for their Zero live stream, when they like did that like little show and like the meet and greets to everybody through Loop. When you bought, I think the first tier, it was just a meet and greet, but you bought the second tier, you got the meet and greet and a vinyl. Little did I know that the vinyl was gonna be out during Black Friday, so I could have gotten just the vinyl and not paid like that much money for a meet and greet when I've talked to them several times before. But it's fine, I'm not gonna complain. Love catching up with my ladies, you know. Yasmin Jahan, I love you. Yeah, so I have merch to open for you guys, and I have that vinyl to open for you guys, and we're gonna put them on. Not the vinyl, because the vinyl is not wearable, unfortunately. You could wear it around your neck or something like that, I don't know, but we got a lot of pieces to try on, okay? All right, just to get it out of the way, I have the vinyl right here. I got all of this stuff shipped to my parents' house in Jersey. That's why this is like opened, because oh, you know what the tea is though, is that I opened this box so I could fit some more stuff in my luggage, and I put my underwear in here. Yeah, let me fix that real quick. Didn't open the vinyl, did not see what it looked like or anything, so it's literally just still like in like the packaging and like paper and whatnot. Let's go ahead and just crack her open. I have more clothes underneath it. Anyway, we're gonna ignore her, okay? You can see the ring light reflection. Love to see it. Oh, they signed it. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. So it's a bit hard to see because of this reflection though, but you gotta get the gist of what this is. Right there we have Yasmin Jahan's signature when they signed. Really fun stuff, really cute stuff. So we're gonna open it. Oh my god, lots of things happening here. Oh my god, Zero special edition says right here. Their graphics though, like can we just like talk about their graphics for like every single thing that they put out? The aesthetic is fantastic. This though, oh, so we can go ahead and just show you guys some of the writing that's in here. Again, I apologize for the reflection of the ring light. That's not really fun, but what can you do? Just film things. I believe the vinyl itself is just in here. Oh my god. You know what's funny though is that this is my first vinyl ever. Like I don't own vinyls. I just had to get it because it's Krewella and like probably invest in a record player at some point. So I'm definitely one of those people as we speak right now, as I'm saying all that stuff, but bruh. She is gorgeous, guys. Like look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. A Krewella vinyl. Like, when did we ever think that we would see this day? Probably not. Krewella vinyl. I'm very like happy, and it's Zero too. Like, come on. That is it for the vinyl. Now we move on to this massive package that I will be doing also a try on for you guys. So yeah, this is a bunch of merch from that Black Friday sale they did back in 2020. I'm sorry, it's like way too early to do that thing where like everyone's like, oh my god,
haven't done this since last year.
Last year was literally a week ago. Shut up. Okay, this is the long sleeve. This is the Zero to Infinity long sleeve. Right here. Open this. We have the Lotus design in the front right here. Oh, that's a K. That's supposed to be a K. Period. Oh yeah, Zero to Infinity, Krewella. Dang, this artwork though, man. Like I really like don't want to wear this. And this is like my thing. I always say that no matter what, whenever I get merch, I don't want to wear it because I don't want to ruin the design and have a fade and wear out. That's always a fear, but we're gonna put it on right now. This is the front. Fits pretty decently, low-key, because I be struggling with like merch sizes because homegirl is small. Okay, so this is a size small and it fits really well. Not too large and not too long either. It like fits like pretty okay. So next we have this is the Lotus hoodie. I don't even think I own like a hoodie from like any like merch throughout the years. So this is my first like crew hoodie, like straight up. This is what the front looks like. We got Krewella at the top and Lotus in the middle. Down here it says Mixed Kids Records. That is what we got right here. Oh my god, this is a thick hoodie. Very thick material. Yeah, this is like some thick hoodie material. As y'all know, hopefully, y'all know I'm in Chicago. Chicago's cold right now, man. And it is gonna get colder as the days go on because it's only starting at the beginning of January. So this hoodie is low-key gonna be the for me. Thank you, Yasmin and Jahan, and every single other person on the design team and packaging and everyone at the merch site. Thank you. For the last piece, I have an OG piece. 2016 is when the pieces from this merch collection like came out. So one of them included the like denim jacket they had. The fact I actually have one now after like several years of like not being able to get it, I don't know how to feel. I'm happy, I'm overjoyed, I'm excited, like all this good stuff. This is some OG merch is what I'm getting at, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it on. Kind of scared it's gonna be like ginormous on me, but like that's what happens when you're me. This literally swallows my entire being. Oh my god, this is so big. Why do I have to be so short and like small, bro? But anyway, crew life, eh?
Crew life or die, bro.
Why is it all death and die? Shit, we got
Oh my god, I'm like not even like upset that this is like large, and honestly we can just roll the sleeves, it's fine, we'll survive. Yasmin and Jahan love their fans so much, they cherish them. I mean, like us fans, we cherish them as well. So it's just a great, beautiful relationship of some symbiosis and all that. Me trying to struggle and like roll these up right now. It's just so large on me. I don't even know what this looks like in an actual mirror, but you know what? We'll still rep it. We'll still wear it. We'll still wear it like nice, loud, and proud for Yasmin and Jahan because, you know, crew life. Get it? No? Okay, I'll stop. I just ran downstairs, pick up groceries that are being delivered. And I'm out of breath right now. To finish off, I have the last item, which is right here. It is the Krewella beanie. Oh my god, I want to die. And the only reason why I'm like still trying to record even though I'm out of breath right now is because my battery's gonna die. We're gonna throw on the Krewella beanie. Oh my god, it feels so good. It feels great. I just see it on me and I'm just like, Krewella on my forehead. Closest thing I can get to having it tattooed on my forehead, okay? Ah, look how cute. Like, come on, bro. This Krewella beanie, though, is a vibe. Dude, load me up with all of, like, the great layering clothing right now to wear here while it's so cold. But this beanie, though, this beanie is it. Oh my god, it feels like a glove, man. It's like a glove. They just need to, like, release more merch, like, more often because, like, just new stuff like this just makes me feel some type of way. And, like, this hoodie, though, I'm sorry, but, like, the green and the, like, in the hoodie and then the green in the beanie, though, let me tell you, what a freaking fit that would be, okay? Yasmin Jahan, thank you for like literally blessing us with this merch, okay? Especially the OG denim jacket. That Crew Life denim jacket, man, let me tell you, memories. I've seen everyone wear it and I'm just like, I don't have one. I didn't buy one because I knew it wouldn't fit me. Here we are. Still the same thing. Can't wait for more pieces to come out as per usual. Can't wait to see you guys. Can't wait to see all you crew out there. Who knows when? I don't know when, but hopefully soon because, you know, it's been too long. The world's been too sad and like this, you know, in the state right now. It's been like this for too long, okay? Well, that is it for my video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing and trying on everything, watching me like be a spaz when it comes to anything Krewella related, as you see. Make sure you guys follow my Twitter @PhillyCrew. I'm on it. I'm just on it, but like not a lot. There you go. That's the best way I can describe it, okay? Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that circle in the outro to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see all of you guys, all of you crew, next time in my next video. Bye!